Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sean Capers. Today I am doing how to customize your iPhone with the brand new iOS 14. I'm recording on my phone right now, so I have to screen record it. To get this widget, you want to go to Color Widgets into your App Store. Click Open, and then from there you will see the different amount of widgets you can choose from. I chose the one right there, the yellow one, but for this example I will use the black and red one right there. Hold on to the image, click Set Widget, hold on to your home screen, and then from there you will see the plus on the top left, and then from there you will see your color widget right there, so click it. And then from there you can choose different sizes to choose from. I would choose this one right here and then click Add Widget. And now you have your widget. To get an image widget, what you want to do is go to search Widgetsmith onto your Apple Store. Click Open, click Add Small Widget. Click on small number 2. Hold on to the image. Search photo underneath custom, click selected photo, choose your photo from your photo gallery. I'm choosing this one. Go to your home screen, hold on to the image, click on this plus on the top left, search Widgetsmith, add widget, hold on to the small widget and click edit widget, and click on small number 2 because that's the one that you named. There you have your widget. To have a custom icon, what you want to do is go to your top of your screen and search shortcuts. From there, press on the plus on the top right, click add action, search for open app, click on the open app right there, click choose, search whatever app you want to customize. I'm customizing Spotify. Click on the 3 dots on the right, name it Spotify, and then from there click add to home screen, name it again Spotify. Once you name it, you want to hold on to the green app and click choose photo. Go to Google and search Spotify icon and whatever color you want to choose. I'm choosing tan. And then from there you can choose whatever one you want to use. I'm using the first one. Hold on to the image, click add to photos. So now we're going back where we were before and click on choose photo. I'm choosing this one right here. Click add, click done. From there you will see your Spotify is right at the home screen. You choose to customize your icon. When you click on the one that you customize, it will send you to the shortcuts first and then to the app. That's what happens to every app that's customized. And to get rid of the app that's not customized, all you want to do is, for example, to get rid of this one app, click on remove app and then click move to Apple library, and then you will see that it's moved to your Apple library. It will always be in your Apple library.